we are back to it. Wheels are off the Fiat, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to head to Halfords. I'm going to get some blue caliper paint because these are getting cleaned off and painted blue, the same as the new calipers on the Mini. So I got myself a new drill and I got these off Amazon, so let's give them a go. Now that was only 2 or 3 minutes with the wire brush. I'm going to go over a bit more and then it should be golden. Like, it's ready, almost ready for paint. Just hit it with some brake cleaner, some degreaser and a bit of blue paint. So yeah, I just have to give these a clean up. I'll give that a look at that. I'm going to get all that crap off. I've new engine mounts, I've new shocks, I have new lower arms. I need to get some of these and some bushes and stuff. I've new springs, I have to get new shock tops, and then all in here is getting degreased and cleaned. And yeah, it's going to be a different car to drive and to look at. So here's hoping. I'm going to head off, get these tyres done and come back and get them back in the car, but we'll clean all this up first. There we are, all loaded up, brand new valves done by Harry, Tyreland, absolute legends. Appreciate it so much. Let's go. One side done, all nice and clean. No point in doing this or anything other else because it's all getting replaced. Have new lowers, new these, new that, new top. Let's go. Get the rest of this done and then get it back down on wheels. And yes, I've cleaned and painted the other side. So just in case you think I didn't, it's all minty fresh. There's a bit of rust here. It's solid, it's just surface. So I kind of went when I seen that, but no, it's only surface, so happy days. I can't wait to get the new shocks and the lower bits in, and then I'm going to change ball joints. Well, the ball joints are part of it, so I'm going to change the steering, and the anti-roll bar bushes are getting all changed on the front and the rear. So yeah, let's go. And she's back on all 4. Happy out. Now just have to wait on all the new parts to come and then back apart and get that finished. So guys, we are changed and it's time to head to Cars and Coffee. Happy Sunday morning. Just a few little cars. Undo this battery before the battery goes dead. So yeah guys, that's it with the Fiat. really appreciate you watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, give the video a like, and yeah, comment, let me know what you think of the blue calipers. I really like how they turned out. Car's back on all four. I'm going to start driving again. It's out of tax, but I'm going to tax it obviously, and book it in for an NCT, and then yeah, get down to my mate's garage, blast everything off, get all the new stuff put on, make sure it's NCT and presentable, and then we can get it ready for paint, get the paint done, and then full livery. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. And don't forget, be dedicated. Peace out.